whole body at rest. A great sensation of freedom. So free that you can reach your attention outside of the room you're in. What can you hear outside of this room, outside of this building? Let your attention reach wide. Shake out the feet, shake out the knees. The body so expansive, easing into the floor. Bringing your attention into this room, into the room you're in. Bringing your attention into the body you are in. Feeling your breathing. Any other sounds around you simply floating over you, floating around. Yoga Nidra is yogic sleep. The body sleeps, and during its sleep it repairs, it grows, and it heals. But the consciousness continues to listen. The body is asleep, and you are listening. Behind your closed eyes, you see a blue flame. The body is completely at ease, and behind your eyes, you see a blue flame. Around that flame is complete ease. The skin around the eyes, the loosening of the jaw and the tongue, the face, the lips, the base of the throat, a point of light, body at ease. The right shoulder, point of light. Right elbow, right wrist, right palm, points of light, body at ease. The tip of your right thumb, point of light. Tip of your right first finger, tip of your right middle finger, tip of your right ring finger, and tip of your right little finger. Points of light, the body at ease. Right wrist, right elbow, right shoulder, effortless. The base of the throat, point of light. The center of the chest, the blue flame. Body effortless. Left shoulder, a point of light. Left elbow, left wrist, left palm, points of light. The body effortless. The tip of the left thumb, tip of the left first finger, tip of the left middle finger, tip of the left ring finger, tip of the left pinky. Points of light, body at ease, effortless. Left wrist, left elbow, left shoulder, points of light, the body at ease. Base of the throat, point of light. Center of the chest, a blue flame. Right chest, a point of light. right lung, left chest, left lung, point of light, body at ease. Point behind your heart, point of light. The back of the neck, the back of the head, points of light, the body at ease. The crown of your head, left eyebrow, right eyebrow, and the point between the eyebrows, points of light, body at ease. The tip of your nose, upper lip, lower jaw, tip of your tongue, and base of your throat, points of light, body at ease. Feeling your body completely effortless. Your body disappearing, leaving only this constellation of points of light. We continue from there. Resting on your back, we resume in the next track.